Black Friday is just a few weeks away, and if you've stumbled across this video, you're probably looking for some fresh design templates to advertise your upcoming sale. Well, you definitely came to the right place. Today, we're going to show you a bunch of stunning design templates that are free, fully customizable, and pre-sized for all of the top social media platforms. Let's get started. The first Black Friday template on our list is sleek, sharp, and can be used for any online business. Feel free to switch up the background image to feature your on-sale merchandise, or you can go with a dark patterned background for more of a minimalistic look. It only takes a few seconds to edit the text to add in your own discount code, and you can play around with the different fonts to see what works best. All of the templates we're featuring today have square dimensions, but you can easily resize them to any dimensions by using Snappa's Resize tool at the top. This next template shines bright while placing focus on the product in the center. This layout works perfectly for showcasing any physical products such as jewelry, home essentials, and clothing items. You can easily remove the stock photo to layer on an image of your own merchandise, and make sure to edit the text as well to highlight the details of your promotion. This design template is ideal for a Facebook carousel ad or an Instagram post. Our next featured template will showcase your Black Friday discounts with large text in the top left corner, and you can add vertical images to highlight your products or services. Since this template is so versatile, we encourage you to play around with different color themes and layouts. Next up is a Black Friday template that's perfect for restaurants, cafes, and fast food joints. You can advertise any ongoing promotions in the text box at the top and throw in a sharp close-up image of your best dish in the background. Adding your company logo or a relevant icon in the top left corner will add a nice finishing touch. The next featured template is ideal for fashion brands of any kind. Whether you run a physical store, an online shop, or a print-on-demand clothing business, this bold Black Friday template will catch the eyes of any potential new customers. Well, that wraps up today's video. You can customize all of these templates and more by going to snappa.com and creating a free account. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.